everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Riley Brennan. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Look at this new focus mode. I don't know what it is. It's the cinematic mode on the new iPhone. I got a new phone, my phone broke, and I don't know what it is, but I'm kind of messing with it. Let me know if you're messing with it down below, because if you comment on a video, you can be featured in my next video. Like this video winner, Upperman20. Shout out to you. Thanks for commenting. So if you want to be featured in my next video, comment down below on this one, and we'll see what we can do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn those post notifications on so you never miss a video. Enjoy. So I have 3 idiots up there that are going to be running. They want to play tennis baseball, but they gave me 2 balls, busted up racket. One of the bike's dead. Bro, why aren't you up there?
This one doesn't really work.
You're going down the hill. That's all you.
Chicken, play!
All right, everyone, get up there. Tell anyone what you just saw.
Are you gonna go?
Yeah, you suck. You just fucking suck. Blows my mind that somebody like this not only exists, but also is delusional enough to post it online.
This isn't even fun with 2 balls.
Libby, what ball do you have that Riley can use?
The lacrosse ball.
Lacrosse balls? You want Riley to hit the lacrosse balls at them?
Yeah.
All right, we're down to 1 ball. That first run was a dud. I just got to adjust. I don't know what's going on. I hate this. Ah! Just boom! Look at that. Of course, he runs inside where I can't get him. These 2 suffered the consequences, and now they get to reap the benefits of being able to hit me. Ah, just kidding. Just kidding, Joe.
Ow, Riley! You ass!
All right, so now we got everyone. Look at that, baby.
I'm so pissed.
That's my filmer right there.
Yeah,
Thank
I
you.
tried to be nice. I knew it was gonna come back.
Yeah, whatever. Hog. I'm a man of my word. You get 2 shots because I hit you twice, all right? All right, go get it again. One more time. You gotta hit me.
Well, I can do it.
Yeah, I bet. You're going through a pussy though, so. Alright, that's your chance. Dude, I gave you 3 chances.
Let me do it.